Here's a version of another lunch lady bar with peanut butter and chocolate. This is something I had never heard of. Had you? These are called gold bars, and apparently they were really popular in middle schools all across the United States. Not my middle school, but I made them, and they're awesome. Are you ready? Let's go. You need 1 cup of butter melted, so that's 2 sticks, and go melt it. In a large bowl, you need 2 cups of powdered sugar. To the powdered sugar, add 4 cups of Rice Krispies. I've never made these before. I've never even heard of gold bars, but apparently in some schools, these were made in the 70s and 80s. One of the schools I went to, it's just interesting to know that across the country, different schools had different things in their cafeterias, and this is one of them. You need 2 cups of creamy peanut butter, or crunchy, whatever you want to use, and you add that to the melted butter, and then stir it all around until it's good and smooth. Now you all know that I bought one of those fancy plunger type measuring cups. By the time I got it out, by the time I used it, and by the time I wash it and put it away, this is more efficient for me. I thought it would be easier, but it's not. Use what is best for you. This is what's best for me. So get that peanut butter all in there and then stir it around until it's all smooth. That butter's hot, wow. Stir the peanut butter in with the butter until it's all smooth. Might take a minute. Once you get this all mixed up, it's still really hot. You're supposed to get it to room temperature because the goal is to mix it in with the powdered sugar and the Rice Krispies. And you don't want to mix it in to the point that you crush the cereal. So I'm just going to set this aside and let it cool down to room temperature. While the butter and the peanut butter are coming to room temperature, I'm going to get a 9x13 pan. If you want to use a jelly roll pan, use that. If you want thinner bars, I'm using this. I'm going to spray it a little bit, but then I'm also going to put parchment paper in there. So, like I've said before, a viewer taught me how to do this. Because I couldn't get it to lay in the pan. It kept coming up. And this is a good way to make sure it lays down in the pan. And the advantage to using parchment paper when you make bars like this is that when they're done, you can just lift that out of the pan and then cut them instead of cutting your pan all to pieces. Have you ever had a metal pan and you just use a knife constantly and you have to throw away the pan eventually because the integrity of the finish gets compromised? So I like this solution better. All right, got my pan ready. I'm going to set it aside. And while we're still waiting for that room temperature to happen, I'm just going to gently mix the powdered sugar in with the Rice Krispies. For the topping, you need 2 cups of melted chocolate chips, and to that we're going to add 4 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter. So I've got a blend of semi-sweet chips and milk chocolate chips. And I'm going to melt those in the microwave in 30-second blasts so I don't scorch it or burn it or so it won't seize. The chocolate's almost all melted, so I'm going to go ahead and add in the 4 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter. Smells good already. And then pop it back in the microwave and melt it all together until it's smooth. So this is at room temperature. I'll pour it over the top of the Rice Krispies and the powdered sugar, and then fold that in there and take care not to crush the cereal. I read up on these. Apparently, gold bars were very popular in some middle schools in the United States, and they were sold out like within minutes of putting them out. This it says that there was a snack bar at their middle school where they could buy all kinds of goodies, and Gold bars were very popular and always sold out quickly. So I'm interested to know in the comments, have any of you heard of Gold bars? And if so, did you have them at your school? We didn't. Get this all mixed up, and then I'm going to press it into that 9x13 pan. And take care not to crush the cereal. Put it down in the pan now. I always have a problem with the corners. I always start with the corners first because I don't want there to not be enough to go to the edges. You know what I'm saying? Have you ever been in that position? It's not good. Okay, just pouring all that chocolate on there and getting it all spread out. And then it has to cool. Smells delicious. I'm tempted to put some sea salt on here, but the recipe doesn't call for that, so I'm not gonna do that. I think my bars are lopsided, but that's okay. People will still eat them. They don't care. And now I'll go let them cool. I can see why these were so popular in the 80s and the early 90s in schools. Kids would absolutely love these. It's very rich, but it's very, very good and so easy to make. Oh my goodness. It's so light. It melts in your mouth the moment you put it in your mouth. It's another version of a lunch lady bar with peanut butter. And this one's called a Gold bar. And you guys, you need to make that. Yum! As always, you can find the full recipe pinned in the comments or in the video description.